We got this Ram here, it got sideswiped at the dealership. It only has 2,000 miles. I'm using tension right now because it has a big crown right here. I want to pull that out, blend this down, soften it up, and then I can glue pull it and clean it up. So remember on this one, it's just a push to paint. They have a paint guy that's in-house for them. So their body guy comes in, thin coat, paints it over. A lot of times these dealerships and mom and pops, rock lots, they just want it fixed to where their paint guy can come in, put a thin coat over it. Yes, this is a brand new truck, but it's what the customer wants. You gotta just do what you gotta do. Push to paint is just part of the industry. You're gonna get a lot of people just asking you, hey, make it look better, hey, make it look better. There is a time and place for that. I would say business to business, we do a lot of push to paint, but for retail, we try explaining to them it's just cheaper to come through us and you get a better finish than if you took it to a body shop. So